In this video, I will show you how to get CapCut Pro for free. Let's go. There is an effective workaround you can try. You can enjoy CapCut's premium features for free by inviting friends through your personalized referral link. Note that this approach is exclusive to CapCut Desktop. To get started, log into your CapCut Desktop account. Navigate to the Invite Friends option in the left sidebar and copy your unique referral link. Once your friend installed CapCut Desktop using your link, you'll both get 7 days free access to CapCut Pro. You can even share this link with up to 10 friends to earn up to 70 days of free premium access. As I mentioned earlier, your friend should click on your invitation link to download and install CapCut Desktop so that Pro access can be activated at both ends. After installation, they should log into their account and enter the referral code found in the invitation link. The only requirement is that they should be a first-time CapCut Desktop user for this method to work. While a free trial of CapCut Pro is available in certain regions, it's important to note that access may be limited, although the specific countries eligible for the free trial have not been officially announced.